Hey guys, it's R.V.C here and I'm back again with another video. I finally decided to purchase the Xiaomi Mi Band 4. It was kinda difficult to get the global version though, but I finally got it. I actually purchased this fit band from AliExpress and I will leave the link in the description below if you're interested in purchasing one. Anyway, let's see what we get. At the back of the box, we have the specifications of the Mi Band 4 in English. Just pause the video if you want to get technical. Let's just jump right into the unboxing. First, we get the Mi Band 4, which we will put it aside for later. We get a charging cradle, which is different from the previous models. Finally, we get a user manual in variety of languages. The Mi Band 4 is pretty similar to the Mi Band 3 with slightly physical differences. The band is still made from plastic. In fact, here we have them side by side, the Mi Band 3 and the Mi Band 4. One of the physical differences is the charging mechanism. Now you have to clip the Mi Band 4 in the charging cradle. I had a slight issue with the Mi Band 4. I could not pair the Mi Band 4 with the Amazfit app at first until I used the Mi Fit app. We will talk about that later. The Mi Band 4 now has an AMOLED screen, colors are very punchy and the screen is bright. As you would expect, the Mi Band 4 can tell time, track your fitness, calories burnt, distance traveled. It can monitor your heart rate and also show notifications. The band is packed with all the necessary features one would want. Anyway, I realized something small about using the different apps. Although they both have the same function, the Mi Fit app has more watch faces compared to the Amazfit app. Moving on, the overall features about the Mi Band are amazing and I don't see any downsides except the GPS. But for the price you pay, I will recommend it to anyone who wants a cheap fit band. Well, for now, that's basically it. If you have any questions, please drop it in the comment box below. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Share this video and I guess I'll have to see you in the next one. Bye.